Today, I'm going to take up the Excel function goal-seek. So, what is this function and when are you going to use this? Goal-seek is an Excel function that is used to find the result you want by adjusting an input value. Simply saying, you will need this if you have the end result but you don't know the right input in order to arrive at the end result you want. For example, you are asked to buy certain items for your office and given a budget of 7,500. You have the list of items to buy. After checking, you have the corresponding prices. If you multiply the quantities by their respective prices, you'll get these numbers, and the total is 8,000, which is higher than the budget. You were informed that you can change the volume of the last item in order to fit the budget. How will you identify the right volume for item 5 in such a way that you will pay exactly 7,500? There is a mathematical formula to compute that, but not all are comfortable to work with numbers. Besides, it can be time-consuming. Another way is by trying to input numbers until it hits the target. Since you want to reduce the total from 8,000 to 7,500, the volume needs to be reduced. You can try 37. The total is still higher. Then you try 35 and it's closer. You can try more, but before you waste your time in trying different inputs, why don't you use the goal-seek function in Excel? Goal-seek is a very simple and easy-to-use function, and it can instantly give you the right input that you want. You will find it under the Data tab, under What If Analysis Tool, and goal-seek is here. Or you can simply use the shortcut Alt-A-W-G, and the same window appears. You only have 3 boxes to fill. First, set cell. The cell for the goal or the desired result. It must contain a formula in such a way that if you change an input, it will be updated. Then, to value. Type your desired value, which is 7,500. By changing cell, enter the reference for the cell that contains the input value that you want to adjust. Click OK, and you get your goal of 7,500 total. Now, suppose the supplier gives you 200 discount, and you still want to pay exactly 7,500. You can now buy higher quantity for item 5. Again, use goal-seek to determine the right input for item 5 for you to pay 7,500 with the 200 discount. Alt-A-W-G and set cell, this time the net amount. To value 7,500. By changing cell, this one, it shows that you can now buy 34 of this item. Goal-seek can work for both direct and indirect formula references. And the good thing about this function is that it does not touch or change any of your formulas. The only thing that will be changed is the input given, but only if you accept the results of goal-seek. So, if you put back the original input value, the previous total will appear as all formulas still work. And it can be applied to many more scenarios. Thank you for watching. Please hit subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel.